Before Swift, my partner Chris and I ran an IT company. We did tower work, we did fixed wireless, and as we grew, the capacity and need grew. And so we knew that fiber to the tower was the next step. Just over 3 years ago, we started fiber construction and really started getting fiber services to Manitobans that had never seen this before. In September of 2021, we sold Swift High Speed and began Swift Underground, which is a service company focused on bringing fiber to the home and fixed wireless service to more underserved Manitobans.
One of the really cool innovations that we've been able to implement is working with a team called Oculus X. Oculus allows us to keep tabs of where we're at on a project. We can track the status, we can track material, it's all in-house, it's live, and it allows us to pivot when issues come up in a really efficient manner.
We'll show up on site and then we'll scope out our project for the day, which is consisting anywhere from 100 to 800 feet. Everybody's wearing high vis and hard hats, pretty standard outfit attire here.
When we move into an area, we try to treat it as if it were our own front yard.
We care all the way through. We're going to run into these people outside on the street, so we want to make sure every step of the way is done properly.
One of the really cool things when we go into a community is we take a 360 camera, we drive it through, and now we have digital image, kind of like Street View, where we can make our design changes.
We get everything installed underground, get the clients hooked up, make sure the clients are happy with the install process. We clean up the entire area, get all the remediation wrapped up. Once everything's lit up, fully tested and operational, we hand it off to the client.
Swift owns the entire process. We do our field measurements, our design, permitting, and construction all in-house. That allows us to flow through the processes really quickly, making sure everybody has the information at their fingertips.
We climb towers, pull up cabling, pull up radios, mount everything, make sure it's aligned, has a good link, and that it's working up to the standard that we want. So we do installs, we do repairs, hanging access points, backhauls. And then we do surprise training at the warehouse, probably about once or twice a week, making sure everybody's dressed properly with their safety gear. The number one thing is we don't want anybody getting hurt when they're doing this.
Swift Underground was started with the dream that we can do this faster. We can bring more underserved Manitobans better internet. That will be the passion behind who we are forever. We'll slowly move into other ventures, other industries, but internet's the heart of who we are.